Hi guys, how are you? Today I am drawing a sketch of an Indian girl with a beautiful fabric around her face that is a dupatta used in India. But the main purpose of this video is also to get you started with charcoal. I have used charcoal powder, charcoal sticks, charcoal pencil to draw this sketch. If you are a beginner and want to start drawing with charcoal and graphite both, I'll tell you all the materials and techniques I have used. So keep watching this video till the end to get a good idea of how this works out. As you can see, I am outlining according to the reference picture using Loomis method. The grids actually help in drawing a perfect realistic sketch. If you want to know more about the grid method, comment down below. I am starting out by light shading of the features of the face and bringing out the shape of the face. Actually, we'll start light, maybe with HB pencil or the 2B pencil, and go slow to capture even the minor intricacies in the sketch. Now I am picking up the hair and shading light to understand the direction and quality of hair first, whether it is thick strands or thinner strands that needs to be drawn. With a loose hand, I'm just moving around the pencil in motions of lines, and then I'll start blending the first layer. I have blended the first layer of hair with an earbud and a blender. You can use either of them to blend the portion you have shaded. Now I've taken a darker pencil and moving around in the same line of motion. Blend it similarly as you did in the first step with a blender or an earbud. Now do the same exercise similarly with an even darker pencil, maybe 8B, and blend it in the similar manner. You will get the beautiful result of hair in layers. It might seem a little bit of hard work, but that's the beauty of the realistic sketch that you will get in the end. Don't forget charcoal layer which is still left. We are going to do it after some time. Coming to the eyes, I have made a very detailed video on sketching eyes in my previous works. I'll link it in the description so that you can check it out. Here I'm using charcoal pencil and graphite both to draw eyes, and the result that you'd get would be a mix of both graphite charcoal and the mono zero eraser you will use to give highlights mainly. The blending also plays a really major role here for looking realistic eyes. I have darkened the nose and other face features as required. I am now using charcoal pencil and charcoal powder on hair to give real effect to the hair, as you can see. Looking at the reference picture and using mono zero eraser, I am trying to capture the highlights and reflections on the features of the face as close as I can. I am, adding the details like nose pin, some wrinkles on the face, some highlights on the hair, and drawing baby hair and hair which is not in place. So small details like these can really highlight the sketching you are doing and make it look more realistic. Now I have started with very exciting part in the sketching actually, which is the clothing on her head and the fabric, that is dupatta. For any clothing piece, the master decider for a perfect look is the drapes you are drawing in the clothing with highlights and reflections on it. So this is a very tricky part and also the exciting part to draw. Just keep drawing as you can see in the reference picture, and most probably you will get the perfect look. I'm drawing the hands with fingers now, and a detailed video on drawing fingers is already there on the channel. You can check it out. I'll also pin it above. You can already see it blinking it out there. I'll also link it in the description. That will actually help you to figure out how to draw perfect hands and fingers. Actually, the wrinkles and the lines you can see in the fingers is actually a very critical part to draw a realistic hand and fingers. You will actually be very satisfied when you get it right actually. the final look of the sketch. If you are new to this video, I record my sketching and painting process so that we can all benefit and get inspired by each other's work. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button to watch many more such videos.